Welcome to new vlog. Today vlog is about Roma Street Parkland, Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Roma Street Parkland is a beautiful and expansive public park located in the heart of Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. It covers an area of approximately 16 hectares and is renowned for its lush gardens, diverse plant life, and recreational facilities. Here is the main entrance. Let's explore this beautiful huge garden. The parkland offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists alike. The parkland is divided into several themed gardens, including the Spectacle Garden, Rainforest Garden, and Celebration Lawn, each showcasing a unique collection of plants and flowers. Roma Street Parkland offers various recreational facilities, including barbecue areas, picnic spots, playgrounds, and fitness stations, making it an ideal place for family outings and outdoor activities. Extensive walking and cycling paths wind through the park, allowing visitors to explore its natural beauty and enjoy panoramic views of the city skyline. The parkland features a visitor centre where visitors can obtain information about the park, as well as a cafe where they can relax and enjoy refreshments. The parkland hosts a variety of events throughout the year, including concerts, festivals, and markets, providing entertainment for visitors of all ages. central feature of the parkland is its picturesque lake, which is surrounded by walking paths and bridges. Water features such as waterfalls and fountains add to the park's serene ambience. It is easily accessible by public transport, including trains and buses, making it a popular destination for locals and tourists alike. Additionally, amenities such as the visitor center, cafe, and accessible pathways enhance the overall visitor experience. Here is the beautiful waterfall, which makes this place more beautiful and unique. The sound of water is amazing. Now, let's move to the Garden Cafe, where you can eat, drink and enjoy the beauty of this place. Here is the awards pasted on the wall. Beyond its recreational and aesthetic appeal, Roma Street Parkland also serves as a hub for environmental education and conservation efforts. The parkland features sustainable landscaping practices, native plant species, and educational programs aimed at promoting environmental awareness and biodiversity conservation. You see this species everywhere, don't need to scare, they are friendly. The Spectacle Garden is renowned for its stunning floral displays, featuring a vibrant array of seasonal flowers and plants. These displays are meticulously curated and change throughout the year, ensuring that visitors can enjoy a visually captivating experience no matter when they visit. The Spectacle Garden includes designated picnic and relaxation areas where visitors can unwind and enjoy the natural surroundings. These areas are equipped with seating, shelters, and facilities, making them ideal spots for a leisurely break. Overall, the Spectacle Garden is a focal point of Roma Street Parkland, captivating visitors with its beauty, tranquility, and immersive sensory experience. Whether visitors come to admire the floral displays, relax in the peaceful surroundings, or simply take a leisurely stroll, the garden offers something for everyone to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more vlogs.